we are going to find the product AB and BA. How we can find the product AB? I have written the two matrices A and B. Their order is important. First thing is order is important. First matrix is A and second matrix is B. Similarly, this one is the first matrix and this one is second matrix. जब भी आप ए बी प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करें तो उस वक्त ये इंश्योर कर लें कि पहले मैट्रिक्स ए लिखें, बाद में मैट्रिक्स बी लिखें। ये काम करने के बाद फिर आप ये देख लें कि क्या ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है या नहीं है, क्या हम इसमें प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं या नहीं, ए और बी को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं या नहीं। उसके लिए सबसे पहले इसका ऑर्डर लिखें। दिस मैट्रिक्स विल हैव ऑर्डर 2/3 and the second matrix have order 3/2. So you can see the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. If this thing appears, these two numbers becomes equal. Number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Then we can proceed. We can multiply these two matrices. And 2/2. What about 2/2? The remaining numbers 2/2 is order of AB, resulting matrix. AB का ऑर्डर जो है वो 2/2 होगा। अब इसको कैसे हम फाइंड कैसे करेंगे? अब हम इसके लिए ये एक प्रोसीजर आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ कि किस तरह आपने इसको फाइंड करना है। ये देखिए, जब ए बी फाइंड करना है तो इसमें 2 rows एंड 2 columns, 2 rows और 2 columns आपने कंस्ट्रक्ट करने। So this is the procedure how you can proceed. This is the rough work. R1, R2. How many rows? We have to make 2 rows. So R1, R2. 2 rows हमने कंस्ट्रक्ट कर ली, ठीक है। और कितने कॉलम बनाने हैं ए बी के? हमने 2 कॉलम्स C1 और C2। दोनों के दरमियान में थोड़ी सी स्पेस आप ज़रूर छोड़ दें ताकि जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करें तो फिर आपके लिए प्रॉब्लम ना हो। अब हमारा जो रिजल्टिंग मैट्रिक्स बनेगा उसमें किस किस को हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है? R1 C1 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, R1 C2 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और R2 C1 और यहाँ पर एक एलिमेंट आएगा जो कि R2 और C2 को आपने मल्टीप्लाई करना है। ये चीज़ लिखने के बाद सेम प्रोसीजर आप यहाँ पर इनके साथ भी लिख सकते हैं, R1 और C1, वेयर R1 और C1 आर। ये हमारे पास R1 है, ये AB में R1 और ये R2, ये C1 और ये C2। फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स की R1, सेकंड मैट्रिक्स का C1। ये आप इसमें देख रहे हैं कि 3 एलिमेंट है और इधर भी 3 एलिमेंट है। इनको आप मल्टीप्लाई 1 by 1 कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली आप इनको फर्स्ट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद फर्स्ट, सेकंड एलिमेंट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद सेकंड, third will be multiplied by third. So we will proceed like this: 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 or plus 5 into 5. So this is the first element. This is R1C1. This is the first element we have generated. Similarly, R1C2, the same R1 and C2, इनको जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 5 into 6. In the same procedure, R2C1, that is 5 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 1 into 5, and R2C2 will be 5 into 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 1 into 6. So you can simplify them and write the answers. These 4 elements you have determined. So you can write there the matrix AB. AB matrix will be written like this: 2 plus 9, 11 plus 25, 36. This is the first element. And 4 plus 12, 16 plus 30, 46. Similarly, 5 plus 12 plus 5, 10 plus 12, that is 22. Similarly, 10 plus 16 plus 16, 32 plus 10, 42. So this is the total, this is the resulting AB. Now we are going to discuss BA. How we will find BA? BA will be determined by the same way. Whenever we have to find BA, it means B will be written first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and A is 2, 3, 5, 5, 4, 1. So here you can see that I have written both the matrices, B first and then A first. By writing their matrix, we can check that its order. By writing their orders, its order is 3 by 2 and its order is 2 by 3. These two numbers are same, so multiplication is possible. The resulting order will be 3 by 3. This will be order of BA. This will be order of BA, as we are going to discuss BA. So for BA, 3 rows and 3 columns. Again, 3 rows. These are the rows and these are the columns. We are going to construct 3 rows and 3 columns. Here is the same procedure: R1, R2, R3, C1, C2 and C3. So firstly we will find R1C1, R1C1, R1C2, R1C3. R2C1, R2C2, R2C3, R3C1, R3C2, R3C3. Here we are going to discuss them. We are going to multiply the corresponding rows and columns. R1C1. Here is R1, R1, R2 and R3. C1, C2, C3. These are the C1, C2 and C3. So R1, C1. There are two elements of R1, two elements of C1. So if we multiply them, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5, 2 into 5. 1 first element with first, second element with second element. Then again R1 C2, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4. Similarly 1 into 5 plus 2 into 1. Now move to R2, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 5, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4, again 3 into 5, 3 into 5 plus 4 into 1, plus 4 into 1. Also 5 into 2 plus 6 into 5, 5 into 3 plus 6 into 4. Similarly 5 into 5 plus 6 into 1. There is a symmetry between the elements. If you see them, these are second element 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. Similarly 3, 4, 5 and 1. And horizontally, first element 1, 2, 1, 2. So likewise you can check that is there the numbers are symmetrical. If you follow the exact order, you can see the same thing in them. So by simplifying, you will get BA, because we are going to discuss, we are going to find BA. BA will become 2 plus 10, 12, 3 plus 8, 11, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 plus 20, 26, 9 plus 16, 25, 15 plus 4, 19, 10 plus 30, 40, 15 plus 24, 15 plus 24, 39, 25 plus 6, 31. So this is the matrix AB. Here you can check that its order will be 3 by 3. That is very similar to this order 3 by 3. So at last you can check, you already have found AB, that was AB. That was a matrix of order 2 by 2. Here were the elements AB. So very clearly you can check that BA and AB are not equal. So always keep in mind, there is remark. You have to keep in mind AB is not equal to BA all the time. AB is not equal to BA. So viewers, this was the process of multiplying the two matrices AB और BA. इनको कैसे फाइंड किया जाता है, कैसे दो मैट्रिसेस को मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है, और क्या AB BA के इक्वल होता है या नहीं होता. सो यू हैव seen that AB is not equal to BA.